To one and all, honorable principal ma'am and all the teachers. Today we are celebrate our Liberations Day. As you know that every year the 2nd August is celebrated in our UT of Dadra and Nagar Haveli as a Liberation Day. This year also the administration shall celebrate the 2nd August Liberation Day of Dadra and Nagar Haveli at Collectorate Silvassa on our honorable administration Shri
Respect principal ma'am, teachers and all my lovely children. We are celebrate 2nd August on 22 July 1954 for Indian force to control of the main police station in Dadra, where could process to take control of Narodi on 22 July. On Silvassa on 22 August, and which point of reason was declared to